Hey guys, Kelly back at you again, Daystar Products. We just wanted to kind of go over some of the products that we have available for you. As some of you guys may or may not know, Daystar Products is your leader in lift and leveling kits. We own companies like Tough Country, RevTech Suspension, Voodoo Off-Road, HT, HCR. We have all these brands under one belt for you. But what's cool about it is that we have your lift and leveling kit solutions anywhere from 3/4 of an inch all the way up to 6 inches in all our house brands. But we're also known for other stuff as well. We have truck accessories, Jeep accessories, UTV accessories. One of the cool things we're going to talk about right here is going to be our Daystar cam cans. Have you ever been out on the trail, whether it's in your Jeep, your side-by-side or anything like that, and needed some extra liquid, whether it was water, fuel, oil, antifreeze, or anything like that? Well, we got that solution in our 2-gallon cans here. They're Daystar cam cans, 2-gallon liquid capacity. They're going to be transfer jugs, and then we also have them in storage containers. So if you want to be able to get out there, put an extra belt on your side-by-side, keep your Voodoo Off-Road rope in there, or just simply pack a picnic lunch for you and your wife or significant other, you can get out there. What's cool about it though is that we have mounts that allow them to mount into a spare tire carrier on a Jeep or onto a roll bar mount for a UTV or how you desire with it. And then you can take it one step further as well, is that they stack on top of each other. So you can double stack them as well. So we're creating usable space into the vehicles. So you got a lot of opportunity to be able to store a lot of stuff. Like we said, whether it's in your off-road rig, your UTV, dune buggy, anything like that that you have out there. One other thing that we've got that's also new to us is going to be our new GMRS radios that you see back here. This is going to be 5-watt handheld, 3-mile range. Then we also have complete kits for Jeep JKs. So these will be a 25-watt base unit, 13-mile range. It comes with a complete kit to be able to install it into your Jeep. We also sell universal kits, so you can put them on just about anything. So keep in touch with all your buddies when you're out there on the trail with our Daystar GMRS radios.